Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all an easy dessert recipe that you can prepare within 15 minutes if you have all the ingredients at home. Let's first check out the ingredients. Here I have taken ready-made vanilla party cakes, whipping cream, and some chocolate biscuits. You can even use Oreo biscuits if you like, and some rose milk syrup, that's completely optional. Let's get started. Here we need 6 to 7 packets of ready-made cakes. And then cut them into small pieces. I have greased the baking tray with the butter. Now start arranging the smaller pieces of cakes at the bottom. 6 to 7 packets of cakes were not enough for my baking tray, so I had to add more cakes to it. Totally I added 10 packets of cakes to it. Once the arrangement is done, leave it aside. To make it more rich, I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream. Make sure to use chilled whipping cream. The colder the cream is, the easier and more successful it will whip. The bowl should also be cold. Now using an electric hand mixer, whip it slowly in a controlled way. If you don't have an electric hand mixer, you can even use a whisk. Now whip it slowly on a medium speed. Don't over whip it. Whip it only till it reaches stiff peaks. The cream will slowly double in size. Make sure to beat the cream on a medium speed. Now you can see it's about to reach the stiff peaks. And remember not to over whip the cream, as the over whipped cream will first turn grainy and then to a butter. Now the cream has reached stiff peaks. Now you can see the cream holds shapes and it doesn't fall down. It means our whipping cream is perfectly done. Now take half portion of whipping cream and spread it on the top of the cake. Now spread it evenly. Now I have taken around 6 packets of chocolate biscuits. You can even use Oreo biscuits or any other biscuits of your choice. Put these biscuits into a blender and pulse it so that you get biscuit crumbs. Do not make it into a fine powder. This is how the biscuit crumbs should look. Now add these biscuit crumbs on the top of the whipping cream. Make sure to add more biscuit crumbs to make a thick layer and spread it evenly. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of rose milk syrup to the other half of the whipping cream. Now mix the syrup slowly with the whipping cream. You can use any other flavors of your choice. Now spread the flavored whipping cream on the top of the biscuit crumbs. Spread it evenly. Now garnish it with some biscuit crumbs on the top. You can even use fruit pieces of your choice for garnishing. Hope you all like this dessert recipe. Try this recipe at your home and do let me know your valuable feedbacks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.